Hi, this is La Latina area. Look all the supermarkets. I mean, supermarkets. Sorry. the Look all the restaurants. They are closed today. This is where I was the other day, where the guys were playing in the van. Look at the people, and look at the snow. That's the metro station. Um, I thought somebody was running behind me. So yeah, it's lots of snow. You can see. Look at the bench, the fountain, the people. I'm trying to shop for some groceries. I should go 3 days ago, but I didn't, and then now I regret it. But well, really not, because it's cool to be outside. I haven't seen this much snow like in 5 years, I would say, even in the United States when I was living in Boston in March last year. So this is the street Toledo, one of the main streets. Is totally covered in snow. As you can see, no traffic, of course, no cars, all the traffic lights. Yeah, they closed the airport, I heard, and nobody can drive. They are not prepared for this weather. Let me go this way. That's the street. Look at the trees. Now I am going to the supermarket. Oh shit. Okay. Let me see if I can go around that or possibly. Oh no, the supermarket is closed. No, what am I going to do? I need some breakfast and my cat food. Oh shit. Well, let me then find out where am I going to get her food, because she will drive me crazy if she doesn't get her food. Maybe I have to go to the veterinarian now, if they are open. I think people is just snowboarding. Nobody wants to have their business open. At least the bakery was open, but still, and the market, the little market in the corner. I will see if I will find one of these small Chinese stores. Oh, actually I was in one, then I forgot. I totally forgot to get the cat food there. Maybe they have it. Anyways, bye.